Hello everyone and welcome to your next episode of Cooking with Nichole. Tonight we are going to make a great fresh little salad. I know I've certainly been enjoying the beautiful weather lately and it's very much put me in a summertime mood. And so tonight here's another fresh, quick side salad that you could serve alongside some grilled proteins like grilled chicken or a burger or a wonderful steak. Or if you just want to have a quick, easy lunch to take with you. We're going to make keto chicken with Thai dressing, a Thai peanut dressing, I should say. So going to be a nice little easy, really super flavorful thing. What I've got in front of me is 2 cups of pre-cooked chicken. I seasoned this chicken up with salt, pepper, garlic powder, chopped it up into little pieces, and then put it in my air fryer and cooked it for the purpose of this video. You could, of course, prepare your chicken in any way that you would like to, or use a leftover rotisserie chicken from the grocery store if you wanted. Every way that you can to make this everyday simple for yourself. So we got our 2 cups chicken. We've got a bag of broccoli slaw. Now I'm using broccoli slaw because the broccoli holds up better after it's been moistened with a dressing on it, whereas sometimes cabbage can get a little soggy or mushy. So that's why I'm using broccoli slaw, but you can use cabbage slaw if you'd like. And then we have a tablespoon of creamy peanut butter, half a teaspoon of sriracha, a teaspoon of powdered ginger, rice wine vinegar, 1/4 of a cup, olive oil, 1/4 of a cup, soy sauce. Soy sauce is only, I gotta check this out, a tablespoon of soy sauce, and then a teaspoon of sesame oil, and then some salt and garlic powder. So we're gonna make the dressing first. Here we go. So first we're gonna add in our tablespoon of creamy peanut butter. You can use whatever peanut butter you like. Our household favorite is creamy Skippy. You can use a natural peanut butter if you'd like, just to get away from any other added ingredients if that isn't something that you want to have in your life. Our half a teaspoon of sriracha. Our teaspoon of sesame oil. This has a wonderful, wonderful smell to it, nutty flavor. It smells amazing. The soy sauce, olive oil, rice vinegar, and then our teaspoon of ginger. Now you can use minced ginger, you can use fresh ginger. I just happen to have powdered ginger on hand, and that's what I'm using here tonight. And then our garlic powder to your liking, and then some salt to your liking. And you're just going to whisk all of this together. Until it's all well and combined. There we go. Once that's all combined, you're going to add now your broccoli slaw to our bowl. And I like to toss together my chicken and broccoli slaw at first a little bit, just to kind of get it combined so all the chicken isn't on the bottom. You could also add some sunflower seeds to this, or another type of chopped nut if you would like. You could also add some Chinese, like the little crunchy romaine kind of noodles to it. However, if you are trying to indeed stay low carb or keto, that would not be something that I would add to it, because those noodles add a lot of carbohydrate for a very small amount. So avoid those if your true desire is to stay as low carb or as keto as you possibly can. So we've got everything kind of tossed together here. And then we're just going to toss together our combined dressing, and then toss that together, and that's it. And then you're just going to put it in the refrigerator and let it chill, or serve it right away. Pretty easy and pretty simple. This recipe makes approximately 4 servings, and it has 256 calories in it, 6 grams of net carb, and 16 grams of protein. So as you can see, it can almost make a complete meal in by itself, or you can have it alongside another dish. Now we're just going to combine this on the top of our dressing, and we're gonna mix it and toss it together. If you are somebody who enjoys a little more dressing, you can always add more or make more of than what the recipe calls for, but I think this is going to coat itself really nicely, and it's going to prevent the vegetables from becoming too soft or soggy while in storage. And there you have it, folks. This is your sweet meal for the night. Quick, easy, super tasty, really low carb dish that is going to complement your other meal items nicely. I hope you all have a good evening. Bye-bye.